What's up everyone, TechBird is here. In the last quarter, Xiaomi beat the Oppo, Vivo, Apple and even Samsung in terms of the sales and become the #1 brand in the history of smartphones industry. This was the only happened because Xiaomi is very aggressive for producing the smartphones. Those are having the extra unique features. For example, we have Mi 11 Ultra that is having unique features and especially having the unique camera. Now this time around, Xiaomi is going to launch its new device which is Mi 12 Ultra that also can break the records. Before proceeding this video, I want to announce that I am giving away Galaxy Z Fold 3. If you want to win that, do subscribe this channel, like this video and share this video with your friends. So Mi 12 Ultra will be the company's successor to the flagship Mi 11 Ultra which was launched earlier this year. A lot of rumors and reports have been doing the rounds about the upcoming Xiaomi flagship and now we may have our first look at the phone as well. According to Dutch portal Let's Go Digital have recently published some renders of the Mi 12 Ultra, giving us the very first look at what the smartphone may look like. And it's going to be very different from the Mi 11 Ultra. According to leaked images, the Mi 12 Ultra can come with a large circle module at the back. It is similar to the camera bump we saw on the OnePlus 7T a couple of years ago, but OnePlus never used it again. The module on Mi 12 Ultra will be the bigger than that used by the OnePlus. It will also have 4 sensors, one more than what Mi 11 Ultra offered. The main camera is said to be in the middle of the camera module and an ultra-wide-angle lens is presumably located at the left side of the primary sensor. And the additional 4th camera is believed to be the time-of-flight sensor or the telephoto sensor. So this kind of uniqueness will give more advantage to Xiaomi over other brands. Furthermore, Xiaomi is going to do collaboration with camera manufacturers Leica. And the Leica branding sits right on the top of the camera module. This will be the first time that Xiaomi is partnering with Leica for its camera. It means Xiaomi is trying to produce something more unique than the Mi 11 Ultra. As far as the display and the battery sizes is concerned, the Mi 12 Ultra should come with a 6.8-inch QHD Plus OLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, and the renders of the smartphone also show a punch-hole selfie camera. When we talk about the battery, it will pack a 5000 mAh battery and 120-watt fast charging support, which is a major upgrade. Of course, let me know what do you think down in the comments and do consider subscribing for all the latest tech news. As always, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.